Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying device compatibility and giving permissions. This prevents mid-process failures. Once done, enable USB debugging or allow unknown apps so the installer can write system files. Then fetch the iOS Snapshot IPA and a reliable sideload tool on your PC or Android. Make sure file integrity checks out. You do this because Android and iOS packages differ, and the sideload tool bridges that gap. Finally, prepare a backup. If anything fails, you can restore your original system quickly. Now convert the IPA into an Android-readable package using your chosen sideload tool, because direct installs won't work. Once converted, sign the package with a local certificate or test key so Android accepts it. Unsigned apps are blocked. Transfer the signed APK to your device via USB or direct download, and install while watching for missing library or signature errors. If the installer flags dependencies, pause, identify required modules, and fetch them. This step avoids runtime crashes and ensures core features load correctly. Finish by launching the app and granting runtime permissions for camera, mic, storage. These are crucial for Snapchat features, so test snaps and video. If the app crashes or features break, clear cache and data, then reinstall. Persistent crashes often mean a bad signature, so re-sign the package and try again. Make sure to inspect Logcat for exact error codes. This tells you whether libraries, permissions, or signature mismatches are the culprit. If needed, restore your backup and retry with corrected files.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.